Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check Windows Edition and whether your Office 2007 is 32-bit or 64-bit because updates differ. Once done, backup important. PPT and PPTX files to an external drive or cloud to avoid data loss. Then close PowerPoint and temporarily disable third-party add-ins so updates apply cleanly. Finally, open Windows Update. This is the first actionable step. It locates Office patches. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so you don't miss required security fixes. You now apply updates manually when Windows Update lists Office items. Select important updates first, then review optional updates for Office 2007 service packs and roll-ups. They must install in order to avoid version conflicts. Download and install each package, watching progress for errors. After a service pack or major security update finishes, restart the computer so DLLs and shared components register correctly. Once restarted, rerun the update scan to catch any remaining fixes. This ensures Office components are fully patched and consistent. You finish by opening PowerPoint and checking help about to confirm the new build and service pack numbers. That tells you the update succeeded. If an installation fails, run Office Diagnostics or the repair option from Control Panel. These fix missing files and registry entries. If problems persist, start PowerPoint in safe mode, remove any corrupt add-ins, and check disk space and user permissions because insufficient space or rights blocks installation. One key tip: always install service packs before cumulative security roll-ups to avoid failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.